I don't know. Some people do all type of things to get cash. What is wrong? You understand? Yeah, because girl left our good country and gone a foreign and have dog. I do all type of stuff to her. I run part of the video I couldn't hear what I going because this can't normal at all.
Mommy, we just care about that, mommy. Mommy, we just care about that. We can't take it no more, mommy. We should just stay home. We should just listen to you and tell me some enough for follow Shantel come and foreign. God no, mother. I just can't take it no more, mommy. I feel shame. I can't even understand how I feel. I feel shame. You understand me? She a come tell me about a rent she a do it for. She a do it for me and I have something for stay. Mommy, me a work, mommy, me a work. Even though a restaurant, me a work, you know, me a work. You understand me? Me a work and me a help pay, me a help give her money for rent, me a help do everything, mommy. And Chantal, we just can't take it no more, my mother. We can't take it. When I see the video, my heart hurt, my mother. My heart hurt, but I can't believe that she do something like this for money, mommy. I can't believe that she do something like this for money. You understand me, mommy? When I see the video, I feel bad, I feel shame because everybody knows that me and Shantel from Jamaica till now. Everybody knows that me and her, mommy. When she said her auntie get the link for she cross the border and she said, baby, I want to come with me. I'm going to say, yeah, me I come with them, baby. I'm not left you alone. And she said, all right, she can help me book my plane fare. I'm going to say, all right, baby. And she helped me book the plane fare and thing, and me and I cross the border, me and I over here. We are struggle, we are go through it, mommy. And for see Chantal make man a PR money. For she use cucumber on herself and make dog a lick out her body. Oh God, man, my mother, the video. When I see it, I don't even know how to feel no more, mother. I don't even know how to feel, but there I just, oh God, man. Oh God, my mother. Man, me leave I forgot work to me feel shame, my mother. You understand me? I know say you love her and I tell myself to try work things out, mother, but this a big disgrace. Oh, she for make man PR money. I don't know much money PR. You understand me? Make man a PR money. You understand me? For send herself use cucumber upon herself, my mother, right? And have dog back her. I eat her out, my mother. This not right, this not right. You understand me? I don't even know say she capable of doing them something here. I don't even know say she, oh, some I don't know say, oh, she's on lower standard to something like this, my mother. It make me feel so bad. You understand me? It's not even say she use the something upon herself, but to have the dog back her. I eat my bumper clad feel so.